Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 30. Xy is equal to 250. X plus y is equal to 30. Let us call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 250. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 30. Now, let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 30 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 250. Let us substitute for y, which is 30 minus x. S bracket 30 minus x is equal to 250. Let us open the bracket with this s. S multiplied by 30. 30x minus s multiplied by x. S square is equal to 250. This can be written as 30x minus s square. If you equate everything into 0, we have minus 250 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Minus s square plus 30x minus 250 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus s squared divided by minus 1. S square, then plus 30s divided by minus 1. Minus 30x, then minus 250 divided by minus 1. Plus 250 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 30, c is equal to 250. S is equal to minus bracket minus 30 plus or minus square root of minus 30 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 250 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus multiplied by minus 30. This is 30 plus or minus square root of minus 30 squared. This is 900 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 250. That is 1000 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 900 minus 1000. This is minus 100 divided by 2. Now, square root of minus 100 is equal to square root of 100 multiplied by minus 1. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Then square root of 100 is equal to square root of 10 square. this cancel this. This is equal to 10. Then square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Therefore, square root of minus 100 is equal to 10I. Now from here, S is equal to 30 plus or minus 10I divided by 2. S is equal to 30 divided by 2 plus or minus 10I divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 15, 2 here 1, 2 here 5. Therefore, S is equal to 15 plus or minus 5I. S1 is equal to 15 plus 5I. Then S2 is equal to 15 minus 5I. These are the values of X. We've gotten the values of X. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, Y is equal to 30 minus X. Y1 is equal to 30 minus S1 is 15 plus 5I. And Y2 is equal to 30 minus S2 is 15 minus 5I. Then Y1 is equal to 30 minus, if you open the bracket, will be negative 15 minus 5I. Y1 is equal to 30 minus 15. This is 15 minus 5I. This is the value of Y1. And Y2 is equal to 30 minus 15 plus 5I. Y2 is equal to 15 plus 5I. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 15 plus 5I, 15 minus 5I. S2, Y2 is equal to 15 minus 5I, 15 plus 5I. These are the value of S. You can and Y. You can see that the value of S1 here is equal to the value of Y2 here, and the value of Y1 here is equal to the value of S2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, the given equation is S plus Y is equal to 30. SY is equal to 250. Let us consider this. S plus Y, this can be written as 15 plus 5I plus 15 minus 5I must be equal to 30. This cancel this. We have 15 plus 15. This is 30 is equal to 30, which is true. Let us consider this. SY 15 plus 5I multiplied by 15 minus 5I must be equal to 250. Then here we have 15 multiply by 15. This is 225 minus 15 times 5. That is 75i minus 15 times 5i. This is 75i plus 5i multiplied by 15. 75i. Then 5i multiplied by minus 5i. This is minus 25 multiplied by I square must be equal to 250. I square is equal to minus 1. Then this cancel this. We have 225 minus bracket 25 multiplied by minus 1 must be equal to 250. Then this is minus 25 times minus 1. That is plus 25. We have 225 plus 25 must be equal to 250. 225 plus 25, this is 250. It's equal to 250, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.